The screen is not currently set to the recommended resolution. Configure the PC resolution to 1080. Current resolution 720. Alright, so I want to show you how to change the resolution on any computer screen. Just right click anywhere on the screen. So I'm just going to right click, and then I'm going to go to display, right down here, display settings. And then from display settings, I'm going to go here and see where it says display resolution. Most likely when you got that error, you had one of these. So you choose this one, and then after you choose it, it should automatically change it. Now, if you have like a dual screen, you got one up here, they'll have like a 1 and 2. Just click on 2 to do your other screen, and then it'll allow you to change the resolution. All right, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe.